company provide special compensation packages for executive? If yes, what do you know about them?
Sa amin kasi, dito as a compensation package, no? We don't have compensation package for the executive. Because, hindi, yung kung ano yung natatanggap ng executive, it's also natatanggap ng mga staff. So, no, yung
No
tawag ito?
bias.
Yes, no bias.
And second question po. In your opinion, does the way executive are compensated affect your motivation and performance? And how po?
Okay. So, dahil wala nang extra incentive kami dito, hindi nababother o nagkakaroon ng inequality pagdating sa mga staff. At kung paano na-encourage yung kami, mga empleyado ng DBST, to motivate magtrabaho ng team as the values of DBST.
Do you believe executive agreements such as bonuses, retirement plan are fair compared to regular employee benefits?
Executive agreements. Yes. Fair naman kasi bilang ako gumawa ng payroll dito, lahat naman kami is nakakatanggap kung ano yung natatanggap din ng, tama ba? Natatanggap din ng mga executive. Fair naman kami dito.
What improvements would you suggest in terms of balancing executive and employee compensation?
Improvement. Okay. So, dahil na meron kami itong mga health card and then for wellness benefits, siguro I think maaaring na idagdag pa sa extra support is yung like the other companies, transportation allowance and then the rice allowance. And then meron yung housing assistant na ngayon is for plan na ng DBST to have the staff na magkaroon din.
Number 5, does knowing about executive compensation influence your perception of fairness and trust in the company?
Okay, so it's about for trust. Tama ba? Trust. Trust, no? Kung so nakakatulong yung trust sa sa aming empleyado, nakakatulong yung walang special package. Kasi parang ipinapakita ng school namin, parang ipinapakita yung halaga ng halaga na maging equal. Yung gano'n, yung halaga na yun, fairness sa mga empleyado.
Nagaan po kayo ng transparency.
Yes, yan, ganun. Transparency sa mga empleyado. Ganun.
Para ma-maintain yung trust.
Yes, ganun.
So, next question po. Have you observed any positive or negative impact of executive compensation practices on company culture?
In company culture, wait lang. Company culture is nagpo-promote ng equality, simplicity based to the employee. Tama ba ako?
Yes.
Na kasi yung equality is naka-align siya also sa values ng DBST.
So, in your organization, ma'am, there's no negative impact naman po?
Yeah, no, there's no negative impact there.
Kasi may transparency naman po kayo.
Yes, that's
And next question naman po. How do you think the company communicates or should communicate about executive pay and agreements to employee?
Paano po kayo nakikipag-communicate sa mga empleyado niyo po about sa, ano yun?
Communicate kung paano nyo i-deliver po sa mga naging mga employee nyo po, kung paano po yung compensation ano nyo po, yung pinagkaiba mga ganun.
In communication to the employee naman, may transparency kami. If merong magiging, halimbawa, pagtaas ng salary or taas ng another ibang salary, I think, tawag dito, nalalaman din nila. In base, so nagkaroon kami ng meeting regarding dyan. And then also, may one by one kami sabi namin, you have a increase in your salary. Ganun.
Okay, next question po. Do you think executive compensation reflects their actual performance and contribution to the company?
Yes, kasi yung compensation kasi nagbe-base sa mission ng service namin dito. So, napoprovide ng DPST. Naka-base sa ano namin dito, sa performance. And also, nagbe-base sa performance also namin kung magkakaroon kami ng incentive. And also sa profit na company na to, ng DPST.
Okay. So, even po na executive position and lower position is naka-base po kayo sa performance kung paano po sila mag-i-increase.
Yes.
Okay. Next question po.